Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Wi-Fi disconnects after sleep. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Properties, click Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click View, click Show Hidden Devices. Right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Properties. Check device status, if any problem replace Wi-Fi adapter. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uninstall Wi-Fi adapter. Fourth method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Change to maximum performance. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.